You know what nobody tells you about starting a YouTube channel in 2025? The game has completely changed, and most creators are still playing by 2020 rules. While everyone's obsessing over expensive cameras and perfect lighting setups, the channels actually crushing it right now are doing something totally different. Here's the truth that might shock you. The biggest YouTubers today didn't start with fancy equipment. They started with their phones, and one crucial insight that separates winners from the millions of dead channels gathering digital dust. Step 1 is not what you think. Before you even think about content, you need to crack the code of YouTube's 2025 algorithm. The platform now prioritizes something called engagement velocity over everything else. This means your first 48 hours determine if your video lives or dies. Most creators upload and pray, but smart creators pre-build their audience before posting their first video. Start by joining existing communities in your niche. Comment thoughtfully on videos, share insights in Discord servers, engage on Twitter, build genuine relationships with people who care about your topic. This creates your launchpad audience who will engage immediately when you post. Step 2 involves choosing your niche strategically. The sweet spot in late 2025 is micro-niches with passionate audiences. Instead of general fitness content, focus on yoga for office workers with back pain. Instead of cooking videos, create meals for busy parents under 15 minutes. Specificity wins in today's saturated landscape. Research your chosen micro-niche obsessively. What problems keep your audience awake at night? What questions appear repeatedly in comment sections? What solutions are they desperately seeking but not finding? Your content should feel like you're reading their minds. Step 3 is your content strategy. The most successful new channels follow the rule of 3. Post 3 types of videos in rotation: educational content that solves problems, entertaining content that provides escape, and behind-the-scenes content that builds connection. This variety keeps viewers coming back while satisfying different moods and needs. Plan your first 30 videos before filming anything. This prevents the dreaded creator block that kills momentum. Map out titles, thumbnails, and core messages. Having this roadmap eliminates decision fatigue and maintains consistent publishing. Step 4 focuses on optimization that actually matters. Forget keyword stuffing in descriptions. YouTube's AI now understands context and intent. Write compelling titles that promise specific value. Create thumbnails that tell a story at a glance. Your first 15 seconds must deliver on your title's promise, or viewers will bounce instantly. The final step that separates successful channels from failures is treating YouTube like a business from day one. Track metrics that matter: watch time, click-through rates, and subscriber conversion ratios. Test different posting times, thumbnail styles, and content formats. Successful creators are data-driven experimenters, not just creative artists. Most importantly, commit to consistency over perfection. Publishing mediocre content regularly beats publishing perfect content sporadically. The algorithm rewards reliability, and audiences develop habits around consistent creators. Starting a YouTube channel in late 2025 isn't about having the best equipment or even the best ideas. It's about understanding human psychology, platform mechanics, and your specific audience's deepest needs. Follow these exact steps, stay consistent, and you'll join the ranks of creators who turned their passion into thriving businesses.